How do you install this laser machine after receiving it? The installation is very simple. You only need to install the handle portion. When installing the handle, we need to open this cover. You will see a handle installation port right here. Take out the handle and align the plug to insert it. After inserting the plug, the nut will be loose. We need to tighten it clockwise until it can't turn anymore. This position is just right. Once tightened, close the cover. This machine only requires the handle to be installed. This is the laser treatment handle. There is also a handle bracket here. Just place the laser handle on this bracket. Next, we need to add water to the machine. Step 2 is adding water to the machine. Here are the overflow port, the water inlet, and the drainage port. When adding water, you need to insert the funnel into the water inlet. Insert it firmly. It's ready. Once you hear a click, simply pull it out after you finish adding water. Press this button to pull it out. While adding water, you must also insert this tube into the overflow port. Then insert the funnel into the water inlet. This machine has already been filled with water. If I insert the funnel now, water will be discharged. So, I won't show the actual filling process here. After inserting the funnel, keep adding water until water flows out of the overflow port, which means it's full. When you need to change the water, insert this tube into the bottom port and the funnel into the top port. It is the opposite of the filling process. This will allow the water to drain out. The water needs to be replaced once a month. When you first receive the device, insert the funnel into the bottom hole and insert the short tube into the top hole. Add water until it overflows from the overflow port, it indicating it is full. Step 3 is plugging in the power supply. After plugging it in, turn on the machine's power switch. Flip the switch upward. This is the e-stop. On a new machine, this button is pressed down. Rotate it to release it. Once it pops out, turn the key clockwise to start the machine. This must be turned clockwise. The machine will be a bit loud when it first starts up, because it is performing water circulation. Wait for a few minutes. The machine will become quieter. It is also normal to hear the fan sound. The machine needs to run the fan for heat dissipation. This is screen of the laser machine. Once powered on, this panel will appear. Let's tap the screen. It shows the machine's hair removal handle. As for hair removal, the handle uses an 808 nanometers laser wavelength. The laser can precisely reach the hair follicle layer. Click the Select button. On this interface, you can select the treatment area. These are small areas and these are large areas. The area increases from top to bottom, but it's okay if you select the wrong area. For example, if you click M, the area is available for hair removal treatment. You can select skin tone here. Click to treat most lighter skin tones. Skin tone is for fairer skin. For darker skin, choose based on the colors below. Click again. We will see the parameter interface. You will see the 3 modes to choose from at the top of the screen. All 3 are hair removal modes. In the first mode, we can adjust the energy levels and laser pulse. By default, the laser pulse is set to 200, and the energy, we usually start at 2 or 3. The pulse doesn't need to be adjusted here. Click Stay. Take out the hair removal handle. Our treatment area is the forearm, and we must apply gel before hair removal. We can use the laser handle to spread the gel evenly, and then begin the hair removal process. We can slide the handle slowly and evenly over the client's skin. If the energy is too high, the client feels intense heat and uncomfortable. We can lower this parameter, adjust it to a level that feels comfortable for the client. It can be set to 80 or 100. This will lower the energy. The longer the pulse, the energy will be more powerful. After lowering the pulse, you can appropriately increase the energy. Adjust flexibly based on the client's feedback. The client must feel a sensation of heat. There should be a slight burning or tingling sensation. Otherwise, you need to increase the energy. The sensation should remain within the client's tolerance level. For small areas, you can move in circles. For large areas, use long sliding motions. The second mode is also for hair removal. However, you can adjust energy, frequency, and laser pulse. We generally set the frequency to 3 to 5. For small areas, set it to 3. For large areas, set it to 5. The laser pulse in this mode is more comfortable. This is because it changes according to the frequency. Once the frequency is set, we don't need to adjust the pulse. You only need to adjust the energy. Start the energy at level 1. Increase it based on the client's feedback. You must also monitor the client's feelings in this mode. There must be a hot, tingling sensation. If there is no tingling heat, you need to increase the energy. Keep going until the client's skin feels that sensation. Next is a third mode. It allows for adjusting energy and frequency. This is energy and this is frequency. Set the frequency to 3 or 5. Click stay, and the button will turn yellow. The energy also starts at level 1. Ask for the client's feeling during the treatment. These are just different modes, but all are specifically for hair removal. Mode 1 allows you to adjust energy and pulse. Mode 2 allows adjustment of energy, frequency, and laser pulse. Mode 3 is for adjusting energy and frequency. Mode 1 has great hair removal results, but comfort is slightly lower. While Mode 1 is less comfortable, it offers the best hair removal results. In addition to hair removal, Mode 2 also provides excellent skin rejuvenation. Mode 3 offers the highest level of comfort. The results will be slightly less effective than the first two modes. After treatment, if you want to return to the main interface, we can click here. Turn the key counterclockwise to turn off the power. The final point is machine maintenance. First, you must fill the machine with water before turning it on after receiving it. Second, when using the machine in summer, let it rest for 30 minutes after 5 hours of use. Third, for sensitive areas treatment, we can cover the laser probe with plastic wrap and remove it after use. In most cases, we don't need plastic wrap in other areas. After treating a client, the laser probe must be wiped and disinfected with medical alcohol. Before treatment, we must shave the area completely and apply a layer of gel on client's skin.